If you drive an automobile, you absolutely have to know this about how insurance is changing in the next year.
So the fundamental changes are in every automobile policy right now in Ontario, we have something called standard accident benefits. Accident benefits are a coverage for when you're seriously injured in an accident.
The interesting thing about insurance is most people don't really know what they're covered for.
Yes.
You're paying a fortune. You signed up because you got the cheapest monthly rate. But this is critical for people to understand because when you get in a car accident and you can't work, right? How are you going to pay your bills? Now in Ontario, there was a standard rate of what's called income replacement benefits, meaning if you're driving a car and you get injured and you can't work, your own insurance is going to pay you income replacement benefits,
Yes.
right? And that was part of every insurance
Every policy.
policy. But in 2026, the insurance companies have pulled a beautiful strategic move with the government in that they've changed the rules so that that is not included now in every policy. You actually have to order it as additional benefits. Is that right?
Yep.
As a lawyer, why that is so important is when you're injured and you can't work, you need to pay the bills. Income replacement benefits helped you survive while I bring the lawsuit to sue the bastard that hit you, cut you off, was drinking and driving, was speeding, right? Who was negligent.
In the meantime.
In the meantime, right? Because that's called the tort element. That's the lawsuit that I bring later. The income replacement benefits help the person survive until I can get the big settlement that pays them what they need.
Yep.
Why this is brilliant from the insurance companies is by working with the government and the insurance regulations, now that it's not in every policy, what do you think is going to happen to people who get injured and don't have an income?
They're going to go on government assistance.
Or they're going to have to settle quicker.
Ah, yes.
They're going to have to settle quicker and they're going to settle for a lower amount.
Cost the insurance companies less.
That's the beautiful strategy, right? Is that if you don't have any income replacement benefits and you can't pay your bills, you can't wait for the 2 to 3 years that they make this go until settlement. So you're going to take what I call a compromise settlement. You're going to take way less than you could have got because you can't pay your mortgage.
Of course.
Or you're losing your house. They know it. That's what these billion-dollar companies are doing.